Hey guys, this is Maria from HuaweiSocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to tag your friend on Snapchat. Tag Someone feature allows you to call your friends out in Snapchat stories, promote your favorite influencers, and consequently make it easy for other people to find new friends. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can do it. Before you mention someone, you need to have a snap. So go to the camera screen and take a snap or hit the gallery icon and upload a visual from your camera roll. Once you're on a snap editing page, you can tag your friend. In fact, there are two options how you can do it. Firstly, you may hit the text icon, click on the @ sign, and type in the name of the person you would like to mention. Don't forget to select the text color and font. Secondly, you can tap the sticker icon, choose the mention sticker, and type in your friend's name. Keep in mind that by pressing on the sticker, you may change its design. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to tag your friend on Snapchat. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at HuaweiSocial.com.